Hello, good morning traders. This is Christopher from forexstocks.com. We had a fantastic day yesterday in the pound dollar. Today I'm looking at the pound dollar here to buy again. Let's have a look what we can do. This is the 4-hourly chart. We've got the first shoulder here. This is the head. So we're looking at the price to drop today to this level here during London session and start buying it during New York. So let's go down to the 15-minute chart and have a look at what we can have a setup. So we are technically speaking, if we look at the hourly chart first before the 15-minute, so we are looking at those levels here. Let's mark them up with some lines. So we're looking at this level here, and then we go down. Let me just make this more bigger line. Okay, so this is the line we're looking at, the support line. And if we go to the 15-minute chart, if it matches with our, yes it does. So we are looking around to buy at those levels here, looking at this is first false move to the upside from the agent consolidation here. Now I'm looking at drop market to do this thing, 3 waves, and then towards this 2.5 day 50% retracement. So around this area I'll be looking to buy it. If it goes without me, it goes without me. Here in the morning, if it goes, it goes. I'm not bothered. But what I'm looking at to buy at a good price around here somewhere. Okay, this is the pound dollar. So we set about the 1.66010 600s, 1.60 600 level is a good time to buy. But if you want to trade it to the downside also, guys, so if you're looking to trade it to the downside, if you're looking to trade the downside, you can this morning, but wait till London session open, see what happens. If you have any breakouts to the downside out here, you can trade them, the 3 waves, and then start buying New York session. So today the pound dollar is to the downside, London session, and start buying it during New York. So let's have a look at the euro dollar trades. Euro dollar is looking to the downside to me today. So what I'm looking at here, let's have a look first at the hourly chart. First thing first, we look at the hourly chart. The hourly chart is looking okay. The 4-hourly, you see 4-hourly, how long has it been dropping? Okay, so this is W formation and the double bottom formation, the guys here. Okay, so let's have a look what we can do with this. So this is change of direction to me to the upside now. So what I'm looking at is something like this to happen around these levels around here. This is the consolidation level, as you can see. Always look at the consolidation level, guys, and trade it from those levels, because those levels here, there's lots of orders. As you can see, there's up and down, up and down. That's these collecting order, collecting order, collecting order, collecting order. So this is the level I'm looking at to buy again, to touch this level. If you draw a trend line here, so if we draw from double bottom around here somewhere or in this zone, then look to buy it, or at least sometimes to retest this zone here on the 50 moving average. So around those areas here is a good buying zone. Wait for W formation, or wait for W formation. Why? Because the W formation is what it does. If it goes down like this, then you do that, then if you enter the market here, for example, yes, and then you can put your stop here. So this is your risk and this is your reward. Always wait for double bottom to enter the market. If you enter here and it goes, you put your stop around here somewhere, then you're gonna lose all that. No, why should you lose all that? Now start looking at this level here. Always wait for the double bottom formation or double top. So the reason I say that is because you can put your stop here instead of here, and you can take the trade higher. Okay, that's one of the reasons I wait for double tops and double bottom. Now let's have a look at something else today. Let's have a look at the Swiss. Swissy always does the opposite of the euro dollar. So let's have a look at the hourly chart first. Looking at the hourly chart in the Swiss, we are looking at some also double top in the hourly chart. So that's to the downside, which has been, the trend line is already broken. So the trend line here of this level here already broken. So what we're going to look for a stop hunt high to the downside today. Okay, so we are looking at the 15. Let's have a look at the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart, I am looking to sell this pair. I'm looking to sell this pair around, this is the trend line here, so it matches with the market maker accumulation channel. There it is. The channel comes in all sorts of forms. Sometimes it can be a straight channel like this, sometimes like this, sometimes like this. So this is the accumulation channel here. That's it. So look around those channels. These are collecting orders. They are trapping some buyers here by breaking these highs and then went down again. So I'm looking at those levels here, around here somewhere, to double top and then sell it. Alright, so that's the Swissy, dollar Swiss. New Zealand dollar, the hourly chart, we predicted that from Monday that's gonna rise, and surely it is rising. But we start looking at those levels here from this is the consolidation level here. So we should see another few days of rising towards this levels here. Let's have a look on the 15-minute chart. Have a look in the 15-minute chart. Is yes, I'm looking, if I want to buy this pair at a good price, always look at the, obviously there's accumulation here during Asia, so this is worth orders, consolidation. So we're looking around this area here for a double bottom, and like I explained to you earlier, why do we buy or sell at double bottoms or double tops? Because we have small risk. So around this zone here we are looking at a buy-in area on the 15-minute chart. Dollar yen, let's have a look at the dollar yen. Dollar yen, I won't touch it these days because it's not very clear to me. So the dollar CAD, we are seeing here, let me just remove all these lines so we can see a clearer picture of it. Look at the hourly chart first. Hourly chart, and I'm biased to the downside on the dollar CAD still. I'm biased to the downside, so we're looking at the 15-minute chart around this areas here, dollar CAD. So I'm looking for the market to break. If it breaks the 200 EMA on the 15-minute chart, then we will start sell it towards the downside levels. But I'm looking for the best prices to go form a double top here during London session and then sell it. If it doesn't, then it's all good, we can start selling it around here somewhere, guys. Okay, so that's the dollar CAD. The Aussie, let's have a look at the Aussie. Aussie is, we're looking at the Aussie here. Aussie is looking at the hourly chart, it's looking very good setup to buy. It's done its stop hunts areas. They've created a zone here, which is a nice zone after a few days drop. So I'm expecting it to go up and test these levels here again, the 10-day threshold. There's this zone here. So we are looking at Aussie 15-minute chart. Let's have a look for an entry setup. 15-minute chart on the Aussie is, I'm looking here this morning to do like a false move to the downside and then double bottom around here, because this accumulation, always look for the accumulation zones. It's not very clear in the Aussie, but if you can see it like this here, so any breakouts of this zone here somewhere, and if you see a double bottom formation, any breakout, double bottom formation, buy it with a small stop loss. Like I said, small stop loss. Example again, if the channel here is broken, this is the channel, is broken, it went down here and it forms like this. If you buy it here, you're gonna put your stop here, so that's big stop to me. So if you do the double bottom here, you see it with some price action confirming here, like a pin bar or bullish engulfing or even a bearish engulfing down here to this, if you see strong bearish engulfing here, then buy it with 5-10 pip stop around here and then let it rise and you make some pips. Okay guys, this is it for today. I will be on Skype in a bit. I'll catch up with you very soon. Please take your time guys, this is a very good situation for you here. I'm just trying to do my best for you. Thank you very much, until tomorrow, and I'll speak very soon.